Hello guys, welcome back. This is Dr. Fix. Into the video edition here, I'm gonna be taking you just on a very quick short notice on when is the right time for you to replace that guy that you're seeing right there sitting in my trunk. That's a spark plug right there. So how do you determine when to replace it? Okay, the first thing first, I got a call here. The first thing first is, have your car reached up to 50,000 miles? For most cars, the spark plug can range between 30,000 miles to 50,000 miles. So if it is up to 50,000 miles that you have not replaced the spark plug, then it is actually right time for you to replace that spark plug right there. Why do you want to replace it? Because if you replace it, your car is going to increase its efficiency, the horsepower is going to increase, and the fuel consumption is going to reduce. That's the fuel economy is going to be enhanced. Now let's drive further into the topic today. How do you determine when to replace a spark plug? I'm going to be giving you 3 tips here. The first tip is, you take a look at the spark plug. As you look at this one here, it's hard to tell if it is due. Now let me flip the camera the other way so we can take a look at it well. There are other ones. Right, okay, over here this very spark plug here seems to be very good. Now let's flip it the other way, and here you go. So by every indication here, this very spark plug should be able to perform very well as it should. So now let me get another spark plug out. Look at this one here. So I look a little bit dirty. Denso spark. If you find anything like a crack, like you can see on the ceramic here, then you need to replace it because it's going to be leaking some sparks. Then aside that, now let's look at a secondary factor here. As I look at this one here, you can see the tip, this iridium tip is somewhere good and is just at the right position where it's going to be. So let's check another spark plug. The second one, which I show you right now, if you look at the base part here, so there is no crack, then that's a good one. Even though if it doesn't have a crack, I'm going to show you some other spark plug which you need to look at here. Now let's look at the tail. If you look at these 2 spark plug right now, one, the tip has eaten off, which is this guy right here. You can see, so this one needs a replacement, but this one is in a very healthy condition. So this is the spark plug that is in a very good condition within all the spark plug I have right now. Now let me usher other ones more. Even though if it doesn't have a crack, now if we look at this one right now, when you see this burning sign here on the tip here, that's a clear indicative that this very iridium spark is due for replacement. Even though if the electrode, you can see it can't have that burning sensation here without the electrode or the earth in here not getting burned. Now let me show you some others, and we look at them. Look at this 3 here, all of them look burnt. In fact, the 4 of them are looking burnt right here at the insulator board. And the customer complained before we replace this and the car start performing much more better is that the car takes a little bit of fuel when you turn on the AC system. So what happens? I'll go first. Now when you turn on the AC system, if your car economy is kind of very cool, but when you turn on the AC system, you notice a very rapid response of fuel consumption in your car, then that is a clear indicative that the spark plug could be one of the culprits that's actually causing the problem. If it has a check engine light, then that's a big one. You need to find out, suppose there is a cylinder misfire which can throw an error code of P0301 or P0300. P0300 is simply a multiple cylinder misfire, which can actually mean that the car is having a lot of cylinders that is misfiring. So after this video here, I'm going to treat a topic of how to solve a cylinder misfire that you replace nearly everything and still the problem didn't go away. So let me flip the camera. So right now you can see the spark plug. The only spark plug that is here, this one, the insulator is broken and the earth is also eaten off. It's only this guy here that is a quality spark that is here right now, looking at it by visual inspection. So guys, this is why I'm gonna be wrapping it up. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.